For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you tired of dealing with a bad hair day every other day /N? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Hatteker Hair Clipper /N. It's not just another cheap hair clipper that breaks easily after a few uses /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use hair clipper that delivers professional results at home /N, then this review is exactly what you need to know /N. Let's dive right into the things you should consider before buying the Hatteker Hair Clipper /N. First off, it's essential to understand that this product is not just for men with long hair /N. Women can also use it to maintain a well-groomed look without breaking the bank /N. But don't take my word for it. Let's examine its key features and see what makes it stand out from other similar products on the market /N. The Hatteker Hair Clipper has an ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver in your hand /N. Therefore, you won't experience fatigue or strain even after extended use /N. This is crucial for those who plan to use this product regularly to maintain their beard or mustache /N. But what really caught my attention was its ability to achieve a precise cut without leaving any lines or unevenness behind /N. Now that we've covered some of the most significant features, let's explore other essential aspects you should consider before making a purchase /N. First and foremost, it's vital to understand that this product is not suitable for young children due to its sharp. Therefore, if you're planning on buying one for your teenage son or nephew, think twice /N. However, if you need a reliable hair clipper for personal use, the Hatteker Hair Clipper won't disappoint /N. In addition to its safety features, it's also worth noting that this product comes with multiple attachments, and this is great news for those who want to customize their look or try out different styles without breaking the bank /N. But what really sets the Hatteker Hair Clipper apart from other products in its class is its impressive after-sales service /N. The manufacturer offers a comprehensive 2-year warranty that covers repairs and replacements /N. Therefore, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected /N. However, if you're still unsure about making the purchase, let's take a closer look at some real-life user reviews to see what other people are saying /N. One thing I noticed was the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users who praised the product's ease of use and effectiveness /N. But there were also a few complaints about the blades being a bit dull after extended use /N. Therefore, it's essential to maintain your hair clipper regularly to ensure optimal performance. Now that we've covered all the necessary aspects, let's wrap up with some final thoughts /N. The Hatteker Hair Clipper is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use hair clipper that delivers professional. However, it's not perfect, and there are a few minor issues to be aware of /N. Therefore, make sure you're prepared to maintain your product regularly to get the most out of it /N. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a new hair clipper, I highly recommend giving the Hatteker Hair Clipper a try /N. For the best price, click the link in the description /N. But don't just take my word for it, go ahead and read some of the other reviews to make an informed decision that's right for you.